Purnachandra Jamatia, second runner-up. Now next trophy. West Zone. This is first runner-up. Dipra Football League 2021 under 19. Indian football team. The football star of India. This is the captain trophy. Our captain trophy of the Gopi Sri Sale by scoring 3 goals against West Zone. Team का गोल रिवॉल्व पर वेस्ट जोन में मैच था। गोमती टीम राउंड में खाने प्लेयर जो में गति करती है। Prize money donate to EN Sports after this.